Hi, this is Luke from Tello Parts Plus. Today we have a 2010 Mazda CX7, stock number 6285. This ran from 11th 2006 to the 2nd 2012. It has an L3 2.3 litre 4-cylinder turbo petrol engine, backed by a 6-speed automatic transmission. This is the L3 2.3 litre 4-cylinder turbo petrol engine. Left front headlight needs polish. Left front guard no dents. Left front 19-inch factory alloy mega tyre. Left front door mirror. Left front door no dents. Left rear door no dents. Left rear 19-inch factory alloy mega tyre. Right rear 19-inch factory alloy mega tyre. Right rear door no dents. Right front guard no dents. Right front 19-inch factory alloy mega tyre. Right front door 1 dent and some small light scratches. Right front door mirror. Right front door card. Right front master switch. Center console lid. Automatic gear shifter. Heater AC controls. Factory single stack stereo. Display cluster. Front courtesy light. Left front sun visor. Right front sun visor. Factory 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel. Instrument cluster.